Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can play music on Alexa without Amazon. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. For that matter, to do so you do need to have the Alexa app on your mobile phone. Go ahead, access it. Once you have tapped on this Amazon Alexa app of yours, you will find this kind of interface right there, right? So if you would like to do so, you have to simply tap on at this more option bottom right, tap on settings, and simply scroll a bit and tap on this music and podcast. Now here in this section you have to simply go ahead, link new service for it. Go ahead, tap on this plus icon, and now you will find Apple Music, Wondery, and Spotify. If you would like to simply access Spotify, go ahead, tap on Spotify of yours. It will simply ask you to link your Spotify account with Alexa. So once you have done so, if you're not paying for any subscription, you can expect some ad to be played as well. Other than that, if you would like to simply link another account of yours, you can again choose Apple Music for reference, which is available right over here. And once you have done so, you're going to provide your information to them, right? Once you have done so, you will be able to simply accept the terms and condition, and you can simply say for that, but for Apple Music's purpose as well, you simply have to get the subscription to use it with Alexa. Once you have taken that, you will be able to do so, and that is the way for you to use another device except for Amazon. That is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.